This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pho vegan updated. Start by making a richly flavored vegetable broth using charred onion, ginger, and dried shiitake mushrooms to build umami. Simmer patiently to extract deep flavor, then strain and season carefully with soy sauce, salt, and a little sugar to balance. Prepare rice noodles, blanched greens, and fresh herbs for assembly, and finish with hot broth poured over. Make the broth your focus and treat it like the star of the show, because it is. Roast vegetables first to add caramel notes, then toast and crush spices before adding them to the pot. Keep heat low and gently simmer to coax flavors out without boiling away aromatics. Taste and adjust seasoning gradually, and remember that patience yields a much more satisfying bowl that's vibrant and layered in flavor. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more vegan cooking. Quick recommendation: when you're slurping hot vegan pho, you'll want a reliable sip between bowls, so try the Oala water bottle for leak-proof hydration and easy sipping on the go. It's compact, stylish, and keeps water handy while you cook. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble bowls thoughtfully so each bite has contrast in texture and temperature. Cook noodles just until tender, then briefly rinse to stop cooking before placing in a warmed bowl. Layer proteins and vegetables, then pour steaming broth over to wilt herbs and heat ingredients evenly. Offer lime, chili, and hoisin or sriracha on the side so guests can personalize their bowls to taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.